Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by aligning your hands with the keyboard and relax your shoulders. Place your left pinky on 1 and left ring finger on 2 for consistency. Use your left index for 4 and 5 and your right index for 6 and 7. Keep thumbs resting lightly near the spacebar to access 0 by touch. Maintain neutral wrists 3.5 inches above the desk for comfort. Spend 10 minutes daily on slow, accurate drills before increasing speed. Focus on consistent finger mapping and avoid looking down at the keys. Start each session with slow drills focused only on numbers and precision. Use repeated sequences like 1,234,567,890 and 1,122,334,455 to train patterns. Time yourself with a 5-minute test and record numeric keystrokes per minute for progress. Increase speed only when accuracy stays above 95% during a drill. Aim for 40 numeric keystrokes per minute as your initial performance target. Add randomized 10-digit sequences to break pattern dependence after steady improvement. Track results weekly and adjust practice. If you use the numeric keypad, enable numlock to ensure digits register correctly. Remember that a standard numeric keypad has 17 keys including enter and operators. Use alt codes like alt plus 0169 to produce special characters with the numpad when needed. For laptops, practice top row numbers and consider an external numpad for heavy numeric entry. Keep the keyboard 3.5 inches from your torso for ergonomic comfort and support. Troubleshoot missed keys by slowing speed and repeating targeted sequences until consistent accuracy emerges. Gradually combine speed drills with real data entry tasks to generalize skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.